just broke another crayon. I have lots of crayons. I have an idea. I can melt these crayons to make new crayons. How about that? I like that idea. So, let's do it. Okay, so we have all these broken crayons. And I got this. It's Crayon Factory. And then you can make 3 different crayons with the molds. And you can make more of them. You can do a solid color, 2 colors, or 3 colors. And this is what comes inside it. Okay, first of all, we definitely have to melt this, and you had to ask your parents before doing this. Okay. So we have this. You can put your crayons at the top and then they will melt. But they will only melt with a transformer, which is right here. And you also get 8 crayons. They're perfectly good crayons. We're going to use these, though, because I want to use them. And then we have molds. We have them right here. So there's a puppy mold. If you can see closely, there's like a puppy right there. A heart mold and a car. And it also comes with instructions. Be sure to use those. Okay, so it also comes with the crayon wrapper ripper. We're gonna need that. I have lots of them. Okay, so let's get on to the making part. Okay, so the next step, after you get all the items out of the box, you get your crayons, and there's also a crayon ripper in this. And I have this pretty color. It's really pretty. And I'm going to use it. So, this is supposed to rip the crayon wrapper. Oh, wow. That did it. And you can do it to all of your crayons. Every single one of them. Or you can you can do it the harder way, which will take you a long time. See? Doesn't work like that. So I prefer using the wrapper ripper. And it says here using only Crayola crayons is recommended. So that's recommended. And I also recommend that because if it's on the paper, then it is recommended. And then if you need help, well, you can ask your parents to help you with this. This comes in handy. Okay, so we can't just do all of these. So I'm just gonna stop it at this point, and then we're just gonna go to the point when we have all the crayons, the wrappers are gone, okay? Okay, so now that we got all the wrapper ripped crayons, you have to turn this on, like you have to plug it in, and then this will light up. Okay, and then you can choose your mold. I chose the heart one. So you're supposed to put it upside down, like that. And Okay, I chose this one, and you have to put it upside down, or else it will not work. That, and then it's gonna be like a drawer. You just push it in, and then it will light up like that. And then you can put your crayons in until it's full to this line. I'm putting that one in. How about this one? Red. And I'm choosing a small color. Maybe. Actually, I think that's perfect. Okay, so now you have to press this yellow button and wait 2 to 5 minutes. Then they will start melting, and then you have to ask your parents, before you do this, ask your parents to get something under it, just in case. Like maybe this will be upside down, and then it could just melt everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna wait 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, so after we open the ones that I just made, we get to review it. And let's see these. So I actually made a few of these. We had a few fails. I can show you one of them. This one was broken, but I think I could still use them. And the one that didn't work the most was the car, because like if you use different colors of the car, it didn't work for us. So we actually did this 3 times, 2 times, and 1 time. I love the dog. Okay, so let's test them out. First, we're gonna take them out. First is the car. Be careful not to break it. Oh, I broke it. Well, at least it can't. That would be weird, because this is actually for its stand. But it would be weird if it was like that. So I could still use it. It's still good. Zoom, zoom, zoom. So I actually just put in one of the crayons that came into the set, a solid color. And it also got some orange from we made this heart, and then like it got the orange from that. Let's open up the heart. That broke too. That's okay. Let's see the heart for real. Wow, this one looks really good, just as good as the car. This one is really good. Oh, look at that. Okay, now the puppy one. I hope this one's my favorite because it looks so good. Okay, this time it didn't break, so you can put it like that. This is the puppy one. Wow, this one is turned out so good. I think this one could be the best because the bottom is still on there. Okay, so now we still have our molds. Now it looks like we have 6 of them, but we actually just have one of them. They're like puzzle pieces. Like you can put them back together, and you can reuse this machine. And I guess before we review it, we have to review it on paper. Okay, so first we're gonna try out the broken pieces. We could still use them. This one is a little bit light. You can barely see it. Okay, so now that we did the broken pieces, let's do this one. Let's see, this is yellow, so it's kind of hard to see. What about brown? See it kind of. Well, you can't really see it good. I can't wait to review it. And guys, so the reason why I haven't been making videos, like posting them that much, is because I had to go to school. That one works good. Now let's try the car. Okay, that is a light color. So the review was 8 out of 10. It's just this one doesn't show up that good, and then this one doesn't either. So I hope you guys liked this video, and comment down below how much you liked it. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video. Bye!